LocalRoute Bench compiles repetitive LLM decisions into fast, zero-token local routes on ARM. Sending every stable classification to a generative model repeats latency, token cost, and opaque failure risk. The runtime tries auditable exact rules, then a compact local classifier, and explicitly abstains when confidence is too low. Here is the fresh acceptance run on an Apple M4 ARM64 device. 10 tests passed, with 0 external model calls. On the final untouched holdout, LocalRoute safely covered 76.7%, with 100% accuracy on covered examples. The larger local model used about 83% more loaded memory, but did not improve confirmatory accuracy. The project is dependency-free at runtime, Apache licensed, and reproducible with one verification command. The key optimization is execution strategy, not more parameters. Source and reproduction steps are available in the public repository.